Hi everyone. Today I'll be taking you through the latest update step-by-step process on how you could get a refund from Apple. There's these things, maybe you just bought an app that you hear about from a friend or from a colleague, and you just decide to give it a try, and later in the day you find out that no, it's a trash, and you find a way to get the refund for your money that you've paid on this app or for the subscription of the app in particular. So today I'll be taking you through the step-by-step process in which you can get your refund back. So please, before we get into it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you can be aware when I drop latest videos. So today, to not take much time, let's get into it. So firstly, all you need to do is to make sure you are logged into the Apple ID in which you used to buy all these products, and after then just go direct into your browser and you type reportaproblem.apple.com. reportaproblem.apple.com. This is the website which is being used for a very long time now. It's not a new thing. Only for those people that could be seeing this or hearing this for the very first time, this is the app where you can get a refund on any Apple product you want to buy. So after you've done that, you let it load incoming. This process is not something that is that really difficult as it seems. So after it loads, it will ask you for your Apple ID. So it will try to log in into your Apple ID using any method of verification you are using, maybe your Face ID, passcode, whatever verification ID. In my own part, I am using a password because at the moment I'm recording this, that's what I'm using. So you log in, and when you log in into it, this is how the home screen will be like. Don't mind me, I'm a little bit of internet problem at the moment I'm doing this. So this is how it looks like. You see your check status of claim, but we are not yet. So let's go straight. So what we first do on this now is you click on what can we help you with. So once you've clicked on that, before, Apple does not always put this. They let you put your option, you type in yourself your reason for doing that. So I have a bunch of apps that I paid for, but we will just be checking into one or two apps just for this video only. So let's go back. What can we help you with? You click on that. Once you click on that, you see a bunch of things you can choose from, but because you are seeking for a refund, you click on request a refund, because obviously that is what we are doing here today. So you click on request a refund. So once you've clicked on request for a refund, then you come down where you see tell us more. You click on the tell us more, you can see also a bunch of options what you can choose, but for my own option, I have been using a child/minor made purchases without permission. That's what I've been using for a very long time. Before, Apple always just give you a blank space where you can type whatever reason by yourself, but no, they don't do that anymore. So next thing is just to click next, and now this is where the really update is. Apple is the one now bringing you the only option or apps that you can choose to get the refund from. Before, every app that you have paid for will be listed for you, but now Apple is not doing that again. So we'll just be using one of the apps for a practical example today. So let's just choose the first one on the top, which is the minimum credit package. Let's just use that for this practical only. So I don't want to just click maybe 2 or 3. Let's just click that. So after we have done with that, after you have clicked that, we've clicked that, so you just let it take a few time for Apple to bring the next page. So you just have to click. Once you have clicked on that, then you click on next on top. Once you click on next, on your screen you see just like this, a request has been submitted, allow up to 48 hours, and in your Gmail account or whatever email address you are using, a mail will be sent to you. immediately. I have gotten mine immediately. So these 48 hours, Apple just normally tell you 48 hours. Sometimes it's not always up to 48 hours. So don't worry. The last time I did it, it's in up to just 8 to 10 hours before I get the feedback that my refund has been paid back. And I just, yeah, it really was. So to make sure this is not something that is not legal or is not something trustworthy, so you can know what you are getting yourself into, right? Let's just go straight down and click on check status of claim. This check status of claim is where every app that you have once requested for refund is. As you can see, I once did this on January 3rd, and this is the one we just did right now, which is January 11 of the day. So now let's click on request a refund, which is the one I did on January 3rd. You can see I did this for a second line, which I bought for to have a second line option for business. For I don't like how it look like. I don't like the package. Sometimes when I'm receiving call the call, so I just request for a refund. Simple as that. I got it back. So they have paid back, as you can see, $15. That's $30. So there are a lot of more options for you to do. So it's just that easy. You just have to wait until you get your money back. So that is all it is on getting the refund from Apple.